Alaikum. I am Ghulam Abbas and today we will discuss about noun, its types, their definition with examples. The first topic is what is noun. The second is how many types of noun, their name with examples and definitions. So let's start. Noun. Noun is a name of noun is a name of person, place, or thing. Person, place, or thing, that is noun. I say boy, I say Aslam, I say Rawalpindi, I say chair. All these are noun. So my students, clear what is noun? Noun is a name of person, place, or thing. So I would like to explain it. Name of person, place, or thing. Name of person, place, or thing. That is noun. That is noun. Noun is name of some person, some place, or anything. Chair, table, that my board, and all these things are nouns. So when we discuss about that types of how many nouns are there, so we divide them into two groups. N-O-U and noun. Noun are divided into two groups, and these groups, one is countable noun. Countable noun, and the other one is uncountable noun. Uncountable noun. My dear students, remember this formula about countable. The things which we can count, we can calculate, these are countable nouns. Suppose we are going to Lahore via motorway, and side of motorway, count all the trees, they are countable. So when we talk about in our homes, how many chairs are there, so in our house we can easily count how many chairs are, 2, 3, 4, or 6, or how many. So books in my bag, how many books there are in my bag, I can count. So these things are countable nouns, and those things which we can't count, these are uncountable noun. Uncountable noun, milk. Can you count milk? No. Answer is no. So this is uncountable milk. Sugar. Suppose you are asked to count the sugar, pieces of sugar. So it is very, I would like to say, embarrassing work, and it's not easy for me. I would say this is impossible. So this is uncountable. My hairs are uncountable. So those nouns which we can't count, all the stars at night, if we are supposed to ask to count all stars at the sky, so we can't count them, that is uncountable. So you have now clear the idea of countable and uncountable now. So can I remove this? Okay. So I would like to write here, we discussed about countable N for noun. Number 2, uncountable. Uncountable noun. So now another type of noun is proper noun. Proper noun. When I will discuss about proper noun, same time I would explain common noun. Common noun. My students, let's suppose I call Ali. Ali will stand there and he will ask, what is her? So Ali is specific, and there are many boys in the class. When I will say Ali, that is a particular name. That is part Ali will only say. And if I say a boy, then all these are boys. So Ali is proper name. Yes, proper. Proper noun. Proper noun is specific noun for specific person. Specific noun for specific, and that is common words. Common noun. Let's suppose Ali, and here boy. Here Lahore, LHR, Lahore, and here city. Here Qaid-e-Azam, and here leader. Leader can any be, but Qaid-e-Azam is only one. City can any be, Lahore is only one. Boy can any be, Ali is only one. So common noun is common for common people, common places, and common things. Common people for common persons and for common things, while proper noun are for proper persons, proper things, and proper places. Clear, my students? Okay. I will wrap this, and you will be clear about common noun and proper noun. Number 3, proper noun. And number 4, we discuss here common noun. Now, one thing is material noun. Material noun. Suppose I am eating bread, and if someone asks me, what are you eating? I will say I am eating bread, and bread is made up of flour. Bread is made up of flour. Flour is name of thing from which material is made up of. This pointer is made up of plastic. Plastic is name of material. And chair is made up of wood. Wood is material noun. Shabash. Iron. I have a chair of iron. So iron is material noun. I have a tea. So material can be milk, material can be sugar, and material can be tea. Right? And all the things which are made up from anything, and that thing is material noun. Okay, clear? What is material noun? The things they are made up of, these are material nouns. And number 5, we discuss material noun. Right. Number 6, collective noun. collective noun. As the name is indicating, there is some collection. If there are 20 boys in my classroom, so I will say this is my class. The word class is collective noun. There are 200 soldiers in army. So army is collective noun. Army is collective noun. There are many grapes. There are many grapes, a bunch of grapes. So I will say a bunch of grapes. Class, army, bunch, rare, a flock of sheep. That is flock of sheep. That is collective noun. That is collective noun. Now I will write here number 6, collective noun. Collective noun. 7, abstract noun. Abstract noun. From my experience, my students always forgot about abstract noun. Students, remember only one thing, you will never forget about abstract noun. Only one thing. Some things can be feel. Something can be feel, but we can't touch them. Air is blowing. You can count air. You can touch the air. No. You can feel. Yeah. You can feel the air. That is abstract noun. Air is abstract noun. Somebody is thief. You can touch his theft? No. So theft is abstract noun. Someone is brave like me. Yeah, I am brave. I am brave. So bravery is abstract noun. Brave is abstract noun. Bravery cannot be seen, but can be feel, but can be seen. So number 7, abstract noun. Sometime in our exam, in our federal board exam, they ask for concrete noun. Concrete noun. That noun, you will remember that noun about their material. Concrete, solid. According to their material, the names which we given them according to their material, according to a person, for a specific place, for specific person, right? Like Aliabad. This place is due to name of a person. So person is Ali. Ali is prominent, and this is concrete noun. It can be feel, it can be touch. Yeah, that can be feel and that can be touch. That is concrete name. Building is concrete and concrete noun. Building is concrete noun. So number 8, concrete noun. My dear students, today we discussed about noun. What is noun? Noun is the name of person, place, or thing. So we divided them into 8 main types. Number one is countable noun, which can be count, right? Number two, uncountable nouns, they can't be counted, like milk. Number three, proper noun. Proper noun is name of some specific person, some peculiar person, that is specific, that is proper noun. Commonly known, common place, common person, that is common noun. Material, the thing which is made up that material, that is material noun. Collective noun, when there is a group of collection of nouns of same age, of same genre, same name and same genre, that is collective noun. And abstract noun, they can be feel but can't be touched. They are air, bravery, like all the things which can be feel but they can't be touched. And concrete, they can be touched and they can be seen. They are concrete now. So thank you for watching us. Don't forget to subscribe my channel, my students, and my prayers are always with you. Please pray for me. Thank you.